Hi there. You can connect Tripetto and your data with thousands of other online services like Google Sheets, MailChimp, Airtable, PayPal, Zendesk, and many others. To do this, you can use the webhook in Tripetto, which connects your Tripetto data to an automation tool. There are lots of different automation tools you can use for this. The most popular are Integromat and Zapier. And that automation tool then lets you connect to thousands of other services with the data from your Tripetto form. In general, those automation tools provide you a webhook URL. You can enter that URL in Tripetto. To do that, open the Automate screen from the top menu bar. This will open up the Automate screen to the right of the builder. The third option over there is the webhook. Simply activate that option, and you will see you can enter the webhook URL that you want to trigger. And here you paste the webhook URL you got from your automation tool. Tripetto will then automatically send all data from each submitted form to that webhook URL. The automation tool of your choosing will then process that into your connected services. How exactly depends on the automation tool that you use. So have a look at the detailed articles in our Help Center to see how to set things up correctly for the different tools. And that's how you can use webhooks in Tripetto to connect your data to other online services. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.